I gotta say, one thing Let me just show you one more thing. Don't play with me, coach. Don't play with me, coach. Will to win, your understanding of how to prepare, and all that stuff is come full force for us. This is a great situation with 10-1 football team, undefeated in the CAA. I will say this. This is great, but the musket's better. Yeah! Let's all pray here for a second. You guys got it done on the field. This is a great situation to be in. People can't, I'm still kind of pinching myself as you are, but we got it done. I'm proud of you. Enjoy this, all of us. We'll be back in action tomorrow, because we got to get that musket back up in the locker room. I tell you what, guys. Seniors, where are you seniors? Get up here. Get up here, man. Get up here. As important as this is to all of us, imagine how it feels to them. This is great in regards to who you are and what you stood for and how you led this football team. Guys, we got to watch over each other. We got to be great Black Bears. And one more time with a family call on 3. 1, 2, 3.
And I mean, you come here and you work your tail off as a freshman and you try to build up the best you can throughout the years, and then to be a senior and for something like this to sit in front of you, a trophy like this, and with the guys behind us, and just as a brotherhood, and know how much time we've shared, blood, sweat, tears, the whole 9 yards, everything we've shared together. It's just a great accomplishment for all of us, the whole team. But this group behind me right here, we're one tight group, and to have this sit in front of us, it truly means a lot.
Say this, just really am pleased for this group of young men. They said
big crowd for November game. Usually it's like spots here, spots there.
You could
5,000.
Yeah, hoping to get that same support for the home game, and even more than that. Bundle ups, give out free hats or something. Sweatshirts, I don't care. Give them heaters, heat the seats, do what you got to do. But it was great though. It was a lot of fun.